Hello and welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your cooperative bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Coop Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to bank.cooperativebank.co.uk. It will then take you to the official website of Cooperative Bank. Then enter your username. Then click to next. Then enter your password. Then you should be able to access your Cooperative Bank account. To make login easier, you can click to remember my username, but I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. If you forgot your login details, click to Forgotten your login details to get help. And if you are new to Cooperative Bank UK, you can register an online banking account by clicking to Register for Online Banking. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.